Hey, I'm Sarah Rose, and today we're going to be looking at the brand new products called the Beauty Balm. These little beautiful products. We've got bronzing shades, we've got blusher shades, we've got sculpting shades and a highlighter shade. So keep watching to see how I create this amazing, happy, dewy look. So I'm about to apply 4 of my favourite shades in the new Beauty Balms. So we're going to start off with the bit of contour. Always love a bit of contour. So this is called Sculpt. Here we go, Sculpt. I'm going to shape the outer part of my face with this beauty. Come down, do number 3. Leave the lips. Bit of definition there, and also we'll go on the brow bone. I'm going to now blend it in with a stippling brush, but you can just use your fingers. I'm going to do one side with the brush, one side with my fingers to show how versatile this product actually is. So easy to do. So once again, just going to dab a little bit of forehead again, sides of the nose, go in the eyes again, why not? Like I said, you can use them everywhere. Also, I'm going to put a bit more of this on my lips. Oh, it feels so nice. It's called Warm Bronze. Don't even have to do much, really. Ooh. But it's just giving such a happy, healthy glow. Ooh. Now for the third colour, I'm going in with the beauty called Marshmallow. I'm just going to smile, get on my high point. I like my blush more near the apples of my cheeks, but I mean, a lot of people like it higher up. It's up to you where you place it. That's the cool thing about makeup. There's no rules. Got to put some on my lips. Oh, this is just the best shade. And then to finish off the look, I'm going to now use the highlight shade. So it's like a pearl, iridescent pearl tone. It's really, really pretty. So because I like the look I'm doing right now, I'm just going to rub a little bit on my finger and place a bit on my nose. Underneath the brow. So nice. It looked really healthy, really warm. You wouldn't believe I've just put 4 shades on. They blend in so seamlessly, so simple to use, and how fantastic that you can use it all over. Let me know what you think and what's your favourite colours and which one you think you're going to try. See ya!